Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Students, let's continue with the same topic, early people, page number 78. Students, you all know what is fire, but in ancient times, people had no idea about fire as they used to eat raw food. But fortunately, someone discovered it. Students, do you know how was that possible? Either by rubbing two sticks together very fast or by striking two flint stones together. Fire helped them to cook food, to keep their caves and them warm, and also for protection from wild animals. Students, flint stone is a sedimentary cryptocrystalline. Cryptocrystalline, it is a quality of object which have crystalline structure and only visible when magnified. Flint was widely used historically to make stone tools and start fires. The very first tool early men discovered was stone. Early people used their hands and fingers to do most jobs. Then they discovered that it was easier to break and crush something with a heavy stone. It was easier to open or split something with a sharp stone. Then, with the passage of time, people learned to make better tools. Some early tools that human beings invented were a club, a bow and arrow, a spear, a stone axe, and rope. Rope was made by knotting together creepers and grasses. They catch fish in the streams by spearing them with pointed sticks. Students' machines are the things that make our work easier, especially simple machines that we use in our daily life. Like lever, Caesar is the example of lever, wheel and axle. Wheel and axle used to carry loads around easily for long distances with less effort. Inclined plane and wage and other machines. Later on, people learn how to grow food. They also learn how to make pots out of clay and bake them in a fire so that they could hold water and food. In the last picture, you can see the firing process of making ceramics. Students, now see page number 80. The wheel. When human beings first began to plant crops, they had to clear the land. They began to move big stones with a lever. A lever is a strong rod or bar that is used to move a load by using force at the other end opposite to the load. Some stones were too big to move easily. Students, in the beginning there were no fire, and then of course there is no concept of cooking food. So early men ate their food as raw, but gradually when they discover fire, they also finally learn how to grow. For that purpose, they of course need a proper area to start plow. So they start clear the land. They move big stones with a lever for long distance with less effort. Students, they discovered that when the stone was pushed onto a few slim logs of wood, it could be moved easily. This gave people the idea for the wheel. Class soon early men reached to the invention of axle as well. The axle is the rod that holds the wheels at each of its two ends. These two inventions changed human life completely. Today it is quite difficult to imagine the world without wheels. They are used in many machines in different ways and in vehicles.